welcome folks. Here we are on I-80. Look at the semis backwards on the side of the road. Here we are, the blizzard of '09. We're somewhere in Nebraska, but we can't see where we're at, so we can't tell you. Going about 20 miles an hour. Got a car ahead of us. Oh, here's a car in the ditch over here. Almost covered. Got about 5 feet of visibility here. And although my voice may sound calm, I'm having a panic attack currently.
Speed limit is 75. Minimum is 40.
That's good. We're not even going the minimum on the interstate.
We can get a ticket for this.
Ticketed for driving in a blizzard when the interstate should have been shut down. Oh, car's still there, but you can't see it. This totally blows away the blizzard of '07 in Austin.